all of you have seen the children attend classes of Arise India, and you would have seen that the first part of any unit or a chapter is a readout, right? It is in a lead and follow manner where the mentor reads the word and the child has to follow it. So what this does for a child is that repeated seeing of that word, it registers the geometry of the word, it registers the pattern in which the word appears, it registers the sound of this word into the child's mind. The read and follow is in such a way that there is a visual also to it and there is a sound also to it. Looking at it again and again, the spellings get registered. Also, since it's a lead and follow, the pronunciation also the child is easily able to get from these audio video readouts. Most importantly, listening skills are enhanced and there is a power of self-learning that we're giving to children. You don't have to go and ask your teacher or your sister or your friend and find out what is the meaning or how do you say this word. The child is able to go back and see, okay, this is the word, this is how I pronounce it, this is how it reads, this is how it sounds. And the child at its own pace can read and follow. So that is the power of the audio and video readouts that are part of every unit of the textbook. Next, we have the interactive games. Games have been a part of our culture since many, many years. We know that the origin of chess is here. We know that the origin of Ludo is here. Snake and Ladders was born in India too. They are, and all these games were not used for entertainment before. They were born so that they could teach with these games, not just for children. They taught strategies also for the army. And here at Arise India, we are using the concept of gamified education and providing games for children to play. Instead of writing the same answer in their book, they instead if a question is given, the child plays and gets to the answer instead of just writing and reading. That also comes ahead, but first the children are taught to repeat that game again and again as well. When you are playing a game, automatically you have the motivation to better outperform yourself. So this time I covered it in 10 seconds. Next time I'll try to get it at a shorter span of time. This time I scored 10 points in this game. Next, I will try and make it 20 points or 30 points or get as many points as I can from this game. So they are very motivational for the child to repeat again and again. They are highly engaging. We have seen all the children play these games, and even in the live classes, when we get the children to play these games, they don't want the class to end at all. Then by playing these games, there is a lot of scope for self-analysis. Okay, the question was asked, I gave an answer and it told me that it is a wrong answer. Then what could be the right answer? There is an analysis happening. Second, okay, I ticked wrong. I got the right answer. However, what happens if I click the wrong answer? What does it do for me? What happens to the points? What happens to the score? What happens to the timeline? And hence there is a scope for self-improvement for the child. Along with that, self-appreciation. Have you seen children go, yay, I did it, and just do that for themselves, tap their own shoulders? So that is the self-appreciation aspect also that develops with these kind of games. And there is a lot of subconscious learning of the patterns. Any word, when they see it in a game multiple times, repeatedly, there is registration happening in their subconscious itself. And these games are designed by experts, game psychologists who are aware of how the learning in a child happens and how the child gets the language and how the child is able to relate to these games. So it comes from an expert's design area. Next, the next very, very important aspect of Arise India curriculum is the pure interaction. We know that we are going into the era where the interactions are mainly digital. The interactions are through an online media itself. And social media is part of our life. We cannot run away from it. Children have to be made aware of how to use the social media. We can't stop them from using it. And so the best way is to help them understand how social media works and how do I play my role? How do I talk to my friends and peers in it? That awareness has to be brought about, and The digital notice board, which is part of the Arise India, plays this role for us. Here they can come and showcase their own work. This is the drawing that I made, and this is the drawing that my friend made. They can have a look at it and they can appreciate their friend, tell them how wonderful it is, tell them they like it, and there can be a conversation in a very, very safe environment, very safe and secure environment. Appreciation of self and others is a big part of social media, and that is what we want children to pick up at this age. So this is how it looks like. You would have seen that there are Padlets. We use the platform of Padlets where children can come and put up their answers for the questions that are being asked. They can also upload their videos. They can make their own videos. It's not necessary that they have to type alone. They can also record audios and then put it up on the Padlet in response to the question that has been asked. And they can see every child's work on their Padlet. Next, we have videos. You would have seen that there are each chapter comes along with at least 5, 6, sometimes 10 videos. What are these videos? There are many concepts taught in the textbook. For example, the happy child talks about the concept of happiness. It talks about the concept of my home. It talks about the concept of a tree. So these videos are meant for the child to learn more about these concepts, explore a little more of what happiness is, of what a tree is, how useful trees are for us, how many types of houses are there in this world. All these concepts are reinforced using these videos. These are selected by our mentors and facilitators, and they are approved by the educators. So the children can easily go and watch these videos. They are in sync with whatever subject has been covered. Along with that, there are also videos that give the child the experiential learning related to the same chapter itself. There could be a video that explains the child how to make an origami tree or how to use your ice cream sticks to make a house. So these videos come in help there. So you would have seen that learning is happening in multiple ways. First of all, there is a listening happening. Then there are videos for the visual learner. There are experiential games. There are experiential activities. So all types of learners are covered through this. Apart from this, we also have workbooks, which will soon be given to all the parents. These workbooks are the worksheets, whichever the child has played on the game format. You can also print it in a worksheet format, and child can do that same game in the written format also. It's a practice with the games, and then they come back and see the same worksheet in a written format also. Thus that repetition is again an occurrence that happens in the child's life. So that repetition becomes very, very important at this age. The most effective way for learning for a child is through repetition. So the workbooks also are designed in such a way that the same concept is repeated multiple times. There are hundreds of worksheets every class that the child can go through, thus enhancing the learning and enhancing the ability to learn the concept itself. The best news that today we can give you is that Arise India now is available as a mobile application also. You can just go to your Play Store and the links will be sent to all of you. You can download it and your children can start playing the games on the move. So it's very simple. In fact, when you access it using the browser, there could be 3-4 steps involved, whereas in an app, the number of steps considerably reduce and the children can directly access the games very easily. And we know that children today are experts at that. So today we will be sending out links for everybody to download the Arise Gurukulam application on your phones. Now, these are all the features of Arise India. We talked about gamifying education, right? So all these are different parts of Arise India. How are all of them put together? There has to be a flow. In fact, the vision with which this was born is that every year when the child starts its academic journey, it should feel like it is playing a huge game instead of learning independent chapters and independent concepts. So how do we bind all of this together? We are binding all of this together using Life of Chicky.